Welcome back to Ross Video Live Studio. It's Noel from BVE Daily. Now I have the pleasure to talk to David from Blackbird, or Ian from Blackbird. It's been a long day. Ian, apologies for that. Welcome, thanks for coming.
Thanks, Noel. Good to have you.
A brief history of yourself, how you came into this industry.
Sure, so I'm Ian McDonough, I'm the CEO of Blackbird. Blackbird used to be known as Foreseen until recently, but we recently elevated the name of our original codec to be the master brand for our company. My background is in broadcasting, so I've been running quite large television networks for Turner, BBC Worldwide, A&E networks, and Viacom, BBC.
Fantastic. And you're here today, but also you're going to be at NAB. Are people going to be able to see Blackbird in action at NAB?
Yeah, we'll be at NAB in some force actually. We'll be on Microsoft Azure's stand, so for the second time we run there at IBC, we'll be on the NAB. We'll also be demonstrating solutions on, full end-to-end solutions on other OEM stands as well. So for instance, we'll be there on Zytec stand and Town News stand and a couple of others.
Okay, and Blackbird itself, okay, it's an interesting name for us. Do you want to start off where the name came from?
So Blackbird, in essence, is a unique codec that makes video very agile and easy to manipulate in the cloud.
Okay.
We chose Blackbird to be the company name because it was A, the name of our original codec.
Yeah.
B, it was the name of the fastest aircraft ever built, and we're all about speed.
Yeah. And
thirdly, a collective name for a Blackbird is the cloud. So I thought very logical as a company name.
Yeah, all makes sense. And so what's different about Blackbird for broadcasters or for live events, etc.? What are the benefits to broadcasters of using Blackbird?
So Blackbird, it's uniquely built and designed for the cloud.
Yeah.
No other video codec has been designed for the cloud. Most are using a derivative of H.264 or 5 and moving into the cloud. It's fantastic in one direction, H.264, but when you want to manipulate that video, it's quite clunky. So as a cloud experience, you either need very high bandwidth or very high storage in the cloud. Blackbird's the opposite. It's very agile, it's very lightweight, it's high quality, but doesn't take a lot of bandwidth and it doesn't take a lot of storage in the cloud. It can be used on any device, and it can be used from any browser without configuration or installation.
Yeah. And the UK is obviously an important market to you. Are you a global organization as well, Ian?
Yes, we are. We have a number of customers in the US. In fact, the US, the North American market, is now 25% of our business. We do a lot of work with Madison Square Garden. We've recently signed a deal with Peloton, who are the fixed bike company. Yeah. They now edit all their fitness videos in 3 locations: New York, 2 in New York and 1 in London, in the cloud using Blackbird. We also do a lot of live sports with Delta Tray in the US. So a number of very high profile, very, very expensive leagues that we work with.
How important is a show like BVE to the UK market, to relaying your message and especially product updates, etc.?
It's very important. We have a huge number of post houses and production companies that are our customers in the UK. We are rapidly evolving our products, so it's a great opportunity for not just to explain what Blackbird is, that we've updated the name and we've refreshed all that, but that we've moved our technology forward, and people are now becoming a lot more comfortable with moving workflows into the cloud. Previously, it was very much about storage and about compute power. Now people are putting applications in the cloud, and Blackbird is a key way to do that for video workflows, and it's great to get that message out. Yeah,
and I suppose as the Blackbird, excuse the pun, takes flight, what's next for you guys, do you think?
Blackbird takes flight, I don't remember that one. For us going forward, we're building out, certainly with the post houses and the production companies in the UK, what we call the Blackbird Partnership Program, which allows post houses to take control of Blackbird and to make it a profit center within their business, and we're having a number of conversations now about that. We see Blackbird very much as a key component for sharing, editing, enriching, logging video across, whether it be in one premise or whether it be in multi-premise or whether it be global. And so that Blackbird Inside model is something that's very much a key to our development going forward, making sure we are completely interoperable with other MAMs, with other systems that are being used within companies.
Fantastic, brilliant. Ian, it's definitely Ian here from Blackbird. Thanks very, very much for coming to see us. It's been really interesting listening to you, and it sounds like a great product, and best of luck. Thanks very much. Okay.
Yes, thank you.